I know this city better than the city I born. New York City is my home, yes. Every single street, you name it, you got it. I don't need any GPS. I know my food and I know where to find it. You park the car, use the bathroom, eat, pray, and start again.
Haandi was opened in 2001. It's like a community center.
Mr. Ali, I know him more than 30 years. He's like a family friend. Haandi is my home kitchen. I cannot live without Haandi food. I've been driving taxi since 1989. I live in this neighborhood. It's almost 30 years, just around the corner from Haandi. You know, in front of the Haandi, they have 2 block full taxi stand. That's pretty much a convenient place for the driver. The thing is, we have a big Muslim community.
Where's the taxi?
Huh? Oh my, that's right there.
Nice to see you.
All right, take care of yourself, bro. See you. I told you, I know every single person. Every time I step into the restaurant, you know, I know somebody there.
Chili powder, turmeric powder, cumin seeds, those tomatoes in it. We are making karahi chicken. We open the restaurant at 10 a.m. So we have to be ready by 10 a.m. After pandemic, because the business is not great everywhere, and we have to cut the labor down. So I'm working alone in the morning. Until 10 a.m., we have to make 8 to 10 dishes. It is hard because where I have to get the raw material, I have to put the fire down. I'll be back. Because I don't know how long I'm gonna be inside the walk-in refrigerator looking for the next ingredient or next step. Here we got the lamb. Now we have special spices for the karahi chicken. We put some secret ingredients in it. All the karahi chicken and karahi lamb, it is very popular dish. Karahi, it's a name of the pot. It has 2 handles, the half circle shape, and we used to cook in this. If your dishes are very good, you don't worry about the competition. People will decide.
It's a Pakistani tea. Same like we cook it at our home. Same tea. It's no difference. Bas shukar, alhamdulillah.
I met him in 90s in Chatkara restaurant. I was working for a few months.
Before they buy their own restaurant, Haandi, in 2001.
When we opened a Haandi restaurant, the first day,
Believe me, the minute I open up,
so Ameen came in.
I step in, I feel like, hey, I'm like in my home kitchen.
Ameen Khan usually comes every day, like rest of the drivers.
The day they open it, they said, yeah, I start eating over there. 30 years ago, they cooked the food. Today, even they cook the same way. My type of food. This is another very old restaurant, Curry Nehari. I think when I moved to this neighbor back in 1995, this restaurant was here. One of the very new restaurant is a Bangladeshi restaurant. It's 99% Uber driver and yellow cab driver, Lyft driver, they come and eat. Another deli, which is the same from Bangladeshi people in Lahori. I used to work for bank 1988-89, and the reason I quit the bank job because here is you the boss. You make your own schedule. It's a freedom. Taxi driver, they used to have a very good income until the pandemic. After pandemic, a lot of people they work from their homes. and we have less tourists. Everything is so expensive. It is getting harder to make a living being a taxi driver. Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar. Ashhadu an la ilaha illallah. It is more than a restaurant. It's like a small mosque.
He's the one who's taking care of prayer area, and he spoke to me and my partner that we need more space for the prayer area.
You cannot even rent a place like the one they give it to free for the mosque. It's maybe the rent is gonna be $10,000 to $15,000. They give it for free. So if they can give a free space, so I'm the one I offer free service. Oh, sorry, sir.
We didn't ask him to do it, but that's his own feeling that he is doing it, and if he is available and he's willing to do it.
1 second, brother.
Sometimes he comes in if we need any help. He's a good human being. He's a very kind person, actually. And may God bless him. It's like a community center more than a restaurant.
I'm long time here. I am coming every day. Yellow cab driver, daytime I work, I come here.
Take a rest, eat food, and sometimes they also change the shift with each other.
Eating food and go to downstairs prayer and go back work.
Hello guys. Haandi. Hello. We are at Lahori restaurant. They open until 4 o'clock. And most of them, like Haandi, is closed at 10:30. The thing is, a lot of my friends, they come here during late night. So I just stop by to say hello to them before I go home and sleep.
I'm a long time driving yellow cab. So I start like 6:30, 7 o'clock in the night. All our friends come over here to talk to each other, hang out with the friends.
Busy hour is after 2 o'clock at night. And he also is every day here.
And here I came here because it's very accessible. At least 20 of taxis can park there and very affordable food here.
This city never sleep.
I'm not the person who believe in retiring. I'm the person who believe in just keep doing something. Haandi is everything to me. I make a living out of it. I enjoy the time which I spend in Haandi. I just love it. It's everything for me, everything.
I stay in this neighbor because of Haandi. Believe me, the day if they close, I'm gonna move out. I'm gonna move out. Hey, listen, nobody wants their home to be closed. Nobody wants their home kitchen to be closed.
How about mixed vegetables? I am sure as long as my health give me permission, I'm gonna keep running this restaurant.
But inshallah zindagi rahi. Friendship is half. Food is half. Make it a full. Full relation between Mr. Khan and Mr. Ali. Food and friendship.